I have been neglecting this spot lately. And yes, there is a Champs outlet out in SoCal. Let's see what I've missed out on. Whenever sneaker sales just slow down, this place heats up big time. All the way from the bottom to the top. Got plenty of sneakers. It's the men's section right here. Women's right here goes on to right there. And there's the kids section right there. Really surprised to see this Spizikes. You know, like I feel like they just came out with all the different colorways. 11 low IEs right there. Mids, we've been seeing mids on sale everywhere. Pretty much what they're gonna get is stuff that hasn't moved at the regular Champ, so they send them all here. Jumpman Team 1s right here. And I think all the old school people know them as the Eddie Jones right here. Okay. The Legacy 312s, we have been seeing these on sale. And everything is on discount, so whenever they don't have something, just ask for the price. Because look at this, 70 for these right here. Not as low as the Sheiks. We saw them crazy low at Sheiks. You got these Luca 2s right here for 100. You got the Take 1.5s. These are a casual take of the Westbrooks, or is this looks like more of a casual shoe, right? That is budget, and he has a casual line coming. I don't remember, but yeah, do got these right here, the Jordan 200Es. Got a bread version of those Take 5s. Air Max Pre-Days right there. The Flyknit Racers right here. And then even got, damn, these are going for too much though, right? The Air Force Highs right here. Air Force One Highs. $100, dude. Do got the Crazy 8s, aka the first Kobe's, right? These are, I don't know, were these the second ones? I don't remember. There was the 97s, and then I thought these were the 98s. I don't remember. But yeah, do got the Kobe's right here, the 2s, the Adidas Kobe 2s, and that used to be the Kobe 2s. Then they got the Kobe 1s right here, aka Crazy 1s. Got multiple colorways. Got the ice blue one right there, 120. We've seen these as low as $20. Donovan Mitchell got them the win in game 7. Pretty freaking crazy. But yeah, I do got this Team Bank colorway right here. We've seen both the 2s and the 3s, the volume 2s and volume 3s for hella cheap. So if you really like these, ask the workers, because yeah, we see them as low as like $20. And do got the Web Boost right here, down to $60 freaking dollars. Ultra Boost, I think these are the golf ones, $50 for these bad boys right here. Got the 2022s, and then the OG All Black. NMDs going for $60. You got multiple colorways, multiple versions as well. And then the KD Trey ones right here. Fools are talking about him possibly demanding a trade to the Lakers. I don't know if that would work out. Do got a little sales table. They actually got a couple, so we'll check both of them out. Boxer briefs, $20. 2 packs of $10 a piece. Retail is $35 for those. I have no clue what hat these are. I don't know. I got some white caps right there. Got some Adidas beanies. I know they can go for $30. Adidas and Nike all in one freaking bin. I don't see any sales or any price tags out here. $30 for this Adidas one. This is actually really nice material. So definitely gonna have to ask the workers. So what the? You got the Jordan Wheaties looking. What is this, fanny pack? $35 normally. So I don't know. I would predict $10 for most of this, but who knows? And then let's finish out with the men's sneakers right here. Do got a ton of Pumas, MB1s, MB2s, MB3s. Got a ton of them, all kinds of colorways. They're all on sale too. Every one of them on sale. 990s, slightly on sale. Normally $2. Just be patient with these, because eventually they are going down. These have gone down a little bit. Do have like super soft suede, just premium materials. And those of you New Balance fans, y'all know these are made in the US. How many of y'all can say your sneakers were made in the US? Most of us? Not many. 90 60s right here. Do got 574s. Ooh, look at this one. $40. 40 bucks. Dope colorway right here too. Black and gray, can't go wrong with that. 90 down to 40. That's what's up. 50 for these right here. 2002 Rs, got plenty of those on sale. This one's down to 100 bucks. More 725s right here. 327s. I don't know why, I'm just not a fan of those. Got some bumps pretty much for free. Questions right here down to $60. This is the Panini Prism colorway. Then Iverson's $60 Kobe colorway right here. People were like, why are they calling these the Kobe's? But yeah, this is when Kobe was in sneaker free agency. He did wear these for a minute. Was it just one game or was it a few games? I don't know. But yeah, $160 down to $60. I think they have a 10.5 and an 11. I think this is an 11. Yeah, I was talking to one of the workers. I was like, that looks like a size 11. He's like, yep, 11 and 10.5, dude. Vans boots, pretty solid price, $50. These are down to 40. That's a hell of a price. They got some decent suede on it. Timberlands down to 60. Hokas, which ones are these? The Speed Goat 5s right there, down to 60. GT 1000, some Asics right there. Which ones are these? Not really familiar with these. Do got these right here for 100. Got some Currys. What are these? Curry 9s? Yeah, Curry 9s for 100 bucks. More Hokas. And some Tims right here. $60 for Tims. I don't know nothing about Tims, but it seems like a solid price. Let's check out this other sales table. See if they got anything that they didn't have anything on the wall. $30 for the Trae Youngs. At least we get a price on these Don H shoes. Yeah, like I said, they were $20 last time. They're $20 now. $20 now. See size 7.5, size 8. So very limited on sizing. Got a couple of top 10s right here. Nike Manoas in a grade school. Reebok Paninis down to $20. $20. Holy cow, that is crazy. Size 7 right there. These Champion slippers down to 20. These are comfy, dude. This is my size too. This is comfy. I do have, I think, the green ones. I have like the olive ones. I don't need 50 colorways of these. I have 2 already. Size 10s. And this has been one of the better walls in Southern California for apparel. And it's cooled down. They don't get all the Mitchell and that stuff that they did for a minute. You got Pro Standard jackets right there. Lakers, Rams, and Raiders, $130 for those. Pro Standard hoodies on the right. Got Kings, got Golden State, and then got, I think this is Mitchell and Ness, right? Oh, this is New Era. My bad. This is New Era. Yeah, all going for $60. These are normally 100 bucks, so 40% off. Pro Standard hoodies right here. Do you got Dodgers? Do you got Padres? Got Rams, more Rams. Pro Standard t-shirts. These are kind of weird because it's a t-shirt, but there's a hoodie on it. But yeah, $90. And then got these San Diego ones as well. 50 down to 30. More Pro Standard Dodgers jackets right there. Also have Mitchell and Ness jackets. All those are going for $80. And then still got a ton of these Bel Air Academy shorts down to $10. Mitchell and Ness shorts for 10 bucks. 90% off if you just need stuff to chill, you know, if you just need stuff to sit around at home. Got large, got small right here, got mediums. Check to see if they have any XLs and stuff like that. Nah, but they do have the blue ones here as well. I think this one's a large right here. So, oh, that's a medium. So if you need some pants to just sit around at home, and 30 for the Pro Standards right here. They have a bunch of stuff on it. San Diego Padres right here. Do that. I don't know what the hell this is. I don't even see nothing on it. Just swimming trunks? These are swimming trunks. Does have a Dodger logo right there. Okay. These are $30. Question is what size? I see a large. And then I see a large and small. I see sizing is definitely going to be an issue here, as it normally is. So you just have to hit this place up. You got XLs for these Dodger shorts right here. These are going for $30. then for 20, they do have the Mitchell and S. They have the Chinese New Year ones. They got smalls right there. These are Chinese New Year 76ers, by the way. They got a small, and then they got a... Looks like they're all smalls. They do have at least one large, normally $125, down to freaking $20. Such a solid deal. Oh, we saw the blue one over there, right? Blue one. They got these going for 20 as well. I was gonna say we have a different size now. This is a size 12. So yeah, these are hella comfy, man. Hella comfy. So good for the winter. But now we got the summer, so y'all probably want Crocs, or not y'all, but a lot of you guys do, or your kids do. $30. It's a bigger size, though, man. Size 12, 13, size 13. Got the Adelettes right here down to 40. I just saw this for 20 somewhere, right? Got some Uggs if you need to be classy looking. Got these for $80. 80 down to 80? What the hell? Got some Birks right here down to $30. I mean, even Birks making freaking EVA foam slides, huh? Birkenstocks, that is. I don't know what the price of these are. They're not retail, though. They're not retail. Back to the women's. Not seeing anything crazy. Air Max 97s down to $80 right here. What are these? Some Pure Boost. Yeah, Pure Boost 22s down to $60. NMDs go for $60. Got some Hirachis. Also got these Air Max 90s right here down to $60. More NMDs, all kinds of NMDs. Then $60 for this one right here. 70, 60, 80. Got some Converse, $40 a piece. Got these right here. If you need to be taller, going for $30. That's a bigger size though. For y'all runners, look at this. Saucony Ride 15s, $140 down to $40. That's one of their premier running shoes. That's not bad. Females right there going for $40. They're bigger sizes though. Got some Jordans up top, Jordan 12s, going for $130, and then got some Jordans down here as well, 37s, $50 right here. These are all grade school. Got a few Jordans here and there. Here more Tempos. Got some Jazz right here. Do got NMDs. If you need some boost for cheap. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. $20. This is a grade school of the Eagles colorway. $20 freaking dollars. Normally 180% off. Holy cow. Nothing else really sticking out. Do got the Stackhouse right there going for $50. If you all need socks, Champ Sports Gear, CSG socks. Such a huge fan of these. I do have these. I have a bunch of these. These are the no-shows. Apparently I'm not that down because, you know, they do have higher ones, but I grabbed a bunch of the no-shows. These are normally $15. They're down to $10 here. These are hella comfy. These are hella comfy. Better than my Nike socks. They're up there with the premium Jordan socks that I have. And they just don't fall off your feet or nothing, dude. Super, super nice. They got higher ones if you really need to be down. These are down to $15. Or they're $15 down to $10. They got all kinds of other materials and stuff. These are two pairs, 12 down to 10. Then they got black ones right here as well. They got all these different material ones. These are normally 13. They're all going for $10. These are 3 pairs, 13 down to 10. And they got what? These are 4 packs right here, 6 packs. I think these are 6 packs right here. 6 packs. These are normally $16, and these are down to 10 as well. And they got women's, but more expensive. Women's stuff more expensive. That doesn't make sense. 16 down to 15, so not much of a discount for y'all, dude. Yeah, not much of a discount. That sucks. And they do got some interesting apparel here, stuff that we just seen at the stores. Well, at the retail stores, do got these shirts with, I don't know what you said, call them, with the art? I don't know. Watercolors. But do got those 38 down to $20, almost 50% off. Pretty dope. Got the 6 championships right there. Got them in medium, large. Is that just medium, large? XL right here too. More Jordan shirts right here. It's a medium, 35 down to 20. More of the watercolor ones here, different colorway. These are pretty dope, dude. I see medium, large. Got more Jordan shirts right here. If you need to be looking like Will Smith, dude got the Mitchell and S Bel Air Academy jerseys, and they're what, $135 down to $20. $20, $20. They're all mediums. That's the only ones they got left. So if you need to walk around looking like you want to slap somebody, $20. Dude got New Era Ram shirts 44 down to 20. These are t-shirts right here, pretty thick, not bad. These are XLs right here, XL, XL, large, medium. Got a few sizes. If you're into anime, they got all kinds of anime shirts right here. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, normally $25. They are all down to $10. They got a Batman one right here. Says something in Japanese. Don't be asking me what they say, man. This Chinese one. Oh no, this one's Japanese too. Yeah, don't be asking me, fools. Clyde Frazier t-shirts right here. These are Puma, 30 down to 10. Rick and Morty, if you guys got those Rick and Morty, what are the mellows? They got them right here. They got small, mediums. These look oversized though. They kind of look oversized. Got large right here as well. Speaking of mellow, they still have the mellow gear. Dude got the hoodies right there. When he scores 92 in a game. La France ones right there. They got the mellow t-shirts right there, go for 20. More hoodies down to 50. His shorts right here, go for $20. Okay. Totally forgot. The Burlington closed down. All right, they do got a Ross. Let's look around here. And then of course the Under Armour outlet, they do got plenty of these. Wait, did I say the Under Armour outlet? What the hell? Dude got these. These are a huge size, but Donovan Mitchell's right here. These are going for 45 though, way too much. D Rose 1.5s. These are huge size, going for $31. Smaller sizes, size 11s, size 10 or 10 and a half. Dude got some Air Maxes, $53. Under Armour's right here, going for $50. Phantom 3s, right? Yep. Got some Reefs right here. These are kind of interesting. $20 for those. More Phantom 3s. These are size 13 in the wrong section. Yeah, these are $50. Same Lakai's here. This is the one that I wanted. This is the one where the UV changes the color. Oh, they don't have my size though. F you, dude. These are like a size 9.5. F you guys, bastards. $23, dude. The UV changes the light on these. Dude, these are dope. I'm trying them out just to see how they fit. I need a size 10. These are pretty narrow too. Those are dope, dude. I want to find one of these my size. On the website they were selling for $100, so I didn't want to pay the full $100. $23. Damn. Air more up tempos. Oh hell yeah. Can't wait to start finding these here. These are going for $70. That's a little much though, that one. Too many animals had to die for that one. Trey Young's going for $35. We just saw these for $20. Witherspoons right there, $35. How do we see so many of these here? We haven't even seen these at the Puma outlets that much. Like I only saw 1 or 2 colorways. What the hell? We got some Nike, what are these? The Roshis? Roshi Golf. Going for $35.